Okay, so guys, today I'm going to explain you how I can make this type of forms. So you can select both and how to make select a text box. So today I'm going to explain you. So first I have some HTML code over here. So first I've created a form. Inside it I have chosen created taking an input which name is name. So it for label for name would be name and label for email. So and if I change it over here, so it won't be email. And if I keep it email, so there would be an input in which I can add it. And then for password, there should be the label should be this. So let's keeping it this. Then for gender, label gender, and inside it there should be this type of form. After that, I am taking a video message, which is these both are same. So if I change this type of thing, this thing I would change the name, so I can select both. If you are watching my phone now, so I can just select male or female. Can't select both. So if I change the name of both, so it thinks that these are both different type of them. So I can now select both and I can select both, and if I make them same, so you would know that how it's, so this is how it looks. And after that I've taken a checkbox input which there you could check the boxes which you want. And after that I have another, it's the same of checkbox, and I've told you if I change this so it thinks it's different. We can just change the value and we can't even change the type. So and we can change this after which we print the value. And inside this we could add an option. There's an option and we have to add options, and after that there is an some bit input, and how that's how my now this forms work. And when you are watching that when I hover on input, like okay, let me go up, it would show on this side. Okay, so I can directly take you to MTN Web Docs. So if I open this, and here I can add, here I can write MTN, and now if I open, so you're watching here, it's showing me all the languages. So if I open HTML, you can read all about the HTML. There are all languages available over here. You can search Python. If I watching, it's also showing Python. If I write JS, it's also showing JavaScript. I have to write the full name for it. You're watching here, so Java, and I can also write Java. So I can also open CSS and the C language. It's also available, but you have to find that type of thing, so it's hard to find it. And that's all for today, and please keep running and keep practicing, and you can learn more about inputs and other things from MTN Talks.